So, magandang hapon po. Ito po yung topic na assign sa aming grupo. Bago po kayo magsimula is pakilala ko muna po yung aming group members na si Jan Cedric Mason, Ervin James Mira, Arby Mirambil, Mark Joseph Mendoza at si Mr. Gerald Mercene. So, the life and work of Rizal by Group 2. Bale po ang namin is tungkol sa kay Jose Rizal po yung mga kapatid.
Sa Tornina Rizal, born on June 4, 1850, is the eldest child of Don Francisco and Teodora Alonso. She and her mother provided the little Jose with good basic education that by the age of 3, Pepe, Jose's nickname, already know his alphabet. Nakilala din sa pangalang Neneng at napangasawa niya si Manuel T. Hidalgo, a native and one of the richest person in Tabuan, Batangas. Mayroon silang 3 anak na lalaki at 2 anak na babae. Siya din ang tumayong bilang pangalawang ina noong nakulong ang kanilang ina. At sumuporta sa financial ni Rizal noong siya ay nag-aaral sa Europe. Pasiano Rizal. Jose's only brother was born on March 7, 1851 in Calamba, Laguna. He was fondly addressed by his siblings as Nor Pasiano, short for Senior Pasiano. The 10-year older brother of Jose studied at San Jose College in Manila, became farmer, and later a general of the Philippine Revolution. After Jose's execution in December 1896, Pasiano joined the Katipuneros in Cavite under General Emilio Aguinaldo as Katipunero. Pasiano was commissioned as General of the Revolutionary Forces and elected as Secretary of Finance in Department Government of Central Luzon. Siya yung tumayo bilang guardian ni Rizal sa paaralan. Siya din yung tumulong sa pagpunta ni Rizal sa Europe noong 1882 at siya din ang nagsabi sa kanilang magulang tungkol sa pag-alis ni Rizal.
Narcisa Rizal, or simply Sisa, was the 3rd child in the family. Later, history, Narcisa would help his financing Rizal's studies in Europe, in pawning her jewelry and feeding her clothes if needed. It was said she highly recite from memory almost all of the poem of our national hero. Si Narcisa ay kapatid ni Jose Rizal na tumutulong sa kanya para kapag tapos si Rizal sa pag-aaral. At si Narcisa Rizal din po ay lumaban sa kolonyalismo at nagsulong ng mga karapatan ng Pilipino noong panahon ng Kastila. Siya rin ay kilala bilang isang mahusay na manunulat at guro. Sinuportahan niya ang kanyang kapatid sa kanyang pakikibaka para sa kalayaan ng bansa. Next. Olympia Rizal was the 4th child in the Rizal family. Jose loved to see her, sometimes good-humoredly describing her as his stout sister, Jose's first. Segunda Katigbak was Olympia's schoolmate at the Concordia College. Rizal faded to Olympia about Segunda, and the sister willingly wed as the mediator between the two teenage lovers. Si Olympia Rizal po siya po ay pinanganak noong 1855 at ang napangasawa niya ay si Silvestre Obaldo ng isang telegraph operator sa Maynila at sila ay biniyayaan ng 3 anak, ngunit ito rin ang dahilan ng kanyang kamatayan noong 1887.
Lucia Rizal was the 5th child in the family. She married Mariano Bosap of Calamba, Laguna.
charge of inciting the Calamba townsfolk not to land rent and causing unrest. The couple was once ordered to be deported with some Rizal family members. Lucia's husband died during the cholera epidemic in May 1889 and was refused by a Catholic burial for not going to confession his marriage to Lucia. In Jose article, La Solidaridad, titled Una Profanación, he scornfully attacked the friars for declining to bury in sacred a good Christian simply because he was the brother-in-law of Rizal. Si Lucia ay isa sa mga nakatatandang kapatid ni Rizal. Siya ang asawa ni Mariano Herbosa na namatay noong 1889 at hindi binigyan ng Kristiyanong libing dahil sa koneksyon niya kay Rizal. Ang pangyayaring ito ay nagpalalim sa galit ni Rizal sa mga Kastila. Si Lucia ay palaging nagbibigay ng moral at emosyon na suporta kay Rizal lalo na nung panahon ng kanyang pagkakatapon sa dapitan. Maria Rizal was the sixth child family. It was to her whom talked about wanting to marry Josephine Bracken when the majority of all family was apparently not amenable to the idea. In his letter dated December 1891, Jose had also brought up to Maria his plan of establishing a Filipino colony, North British Borneo. In his letter dated December 28, 1891, Jose wrote to Maria told that your children are very pretty. Si Maria ay isa sa mga nakababatang kapatid ni Rizal. Malapit ang kanilang kaugnayan at madalas silang magpalitan ng sulat habang nasa ibang bansa si Rizal. Ang mga liham na ito ay naging daan para mabigyan ng balita at emosyonal na suporta si Rizal. Si Maria ay matapat sa kanyang kapatid at tumutulong na mapanatili ang mga sulatin at alaala ni Rizal.
Concepcion Alonzo Rizal. Concepcion Rizal, 1862 to 1865, was the eighth child of Rizal family. She died at the age of 3. Of his sister, it was said at the young Pepe Log, mostly of Concha, who was a year younger than he, played games and shared children's stories with her, and from her he felt the outlay of sisterly love at a young age. Si Concepcion Alonzo Rizal ay isa sa pinakamamahal ni Pepe sa magkakapatid. Tinawag nila itong Concha. Pero sa kasamaang palad, sa murang edad na 3 taong gulang, namatay ito. At isa si Rizal sa nalungkot dahil sa pagkawala ng kanyang kapatid na si Concepcion Rizal. Next boy. Josepa Rizal. Nickname is Pangoy, 1865 to 1945. She was the 9th children in the family. Pangoy died a spinster among Joselater to Josepa. The one dated October 26, 1893 was perhaps the most fascinating. Written in English, the letter addressed Josepa as Miss Josephine Rizal. After Jose martyrdom, the epilepsy Josepa joined the Katipunan and was even supposed to have been elected the president of the women's section. She was one of the original 29 women admitted to the Katipunan along with Gregoria de Jesus, wife of Andres Bonifacio. They safeguarded the secret papers and documents of the society and danced and sung during session so that civil guard would think that the meeting were just harmless social gathering. Si Josefa ay pang-siyam sa kapatid ni Rizal. Isa rin si Josefa sa matalinong kapatid ni Rizal dahil sa pagiging biyasa niyang gumamit ng English. At isa rin siya sa may kapansanan, meron siyang epilepsy. Tapos ito yung hindi naging hadlang sa kanya para sumali sa Katipunan at siya ay naging pangulo ng Katipunan.
Trinidad Rizal, 1868 to 1951. Trining was the 10th child. Historically, she became the custodian of Rizal's last and greatest poem. Right before Jose's execution, Trinidad and their mother visited him in the Fort Santiago prison cell. As they were leaving, Jose handed over to Trining an alcohol cooking stove, a gift from the Pardo de Taveras, whispering to her in language which the guards could not understand. There is something in it. That something was Rizal elegy now known as Mi Ultimo Adios, like Josefa Pasiano and Tunices. Trinidad joined the Katipunan after Jose's death. So, si Trinidad Rizal po is sinilang siya ng 1868 at namatay naman siya ng 1951. Si Trinidad ay pinapakilala bilang kasapi or sumanib sa Katipunan after mamatay si Jose Rizal.
Soledad Mercado, the youngest child. So Soledad Rizal, 1870 to 1929, also called Choleng, was the youngest child of the Rizal family. Being a teacher, she was arguably the best educated among Rizal's sisters. In his long and meaty letter to Choleng dated June 6, 1890, Jose Rizal on Facebook, Jose told her sister that he was proud of her of becoming a teacher, and thus counseled her to be a model of virtues and good qualities. For the one who should teach should be better than the persons who need her learning. Rizal nonetheless used the topic as leverage in somewhat rebuking her sister for getting married to Pantaleon Quintero of Calamba without their parent consent. Because of you, he wrote, the peace of our family has been disturbed. Choleng's union with Pantaleon nonetheless resulted in the Rizal's family becoming connected by affinity to Miguel Malvar, the hero who could have been listed as the second Philippine president for taking over the revolutionary government after Emilio Aguinaldo's arrest in 1901. Soledad and Pantaleon had 5 children: Trinitario, Amelia, Luisa, Serafin, and Felix. Their daughter Amelia married Bernabe Malvar, son of General Miguel Malvar. So bali si Soledad Mercado ay siya yung pinakabunso sa lahat ng magkapatid. So si Soledad Mercado is isang guro na kilalang edukador sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga siya rin yung isa sa mga kapag tatag ng University of the Philippines College of Education. At kumbaga nakilala rin siya sa mga contribution niya sa larangan ng edukasyon. So bali yung kanyang trabaho at edukasyon sa sarili ay magkaroon ng malalim na epekto sa pagbuo ng pagpapabuti ng sistema ng edukasyon sa ating bansa. So, bali dyan po tatapos yung aming presentation about kay Jose's siblings. Thank you po.